everyone. Today I'm going to make a simple project on an app named PictoBlox. So PictoBlox is a programming software based on Scratch which has an AI components in it. So now we will make a very simple project named object detection. So here basically what happens, we have to take a backdrop in which very clear images are there, and AI components, the artificial components, will be able to detect whatever images that are, like if it's a baseball, it'll show in a box and name it as a baseball. So it is all done by the artificial intelligence. So let's get started. So first we need to choose a backdrop. We can even take a backdrop from the library, but to make it more HD and make it more clear so that the AI artificial intelligence is able to get it. So we will upload it from computer. We will take this one. So here we have our backdrop. So we just need our backdrop to make it a little bit bigger so that's more clear and visible. Here our backdrop is done. So now we will take a board as EV, and we will take the artificial intelligence components. There are many components, but for this project we will take the object detection component. Here we have all the blocks for the object detection component. So now we will change our sprite from Toby to a square box which will be able to recognize. Basically we'll write all our codings in the code of the square box. So we here delete Toby, we choose a new sprite from the library, and we take the square box. So here, let's get started with the coding. So first basic thing to get started with the coding is take when the green flag is clicked. So when we click the green flag, all the coding we will write will happen. So now we will make a new first we will make a new variable for our named as object. We have a new variable. Now we can hide the variable so that's not seen and it does not look awkward. Now we will go to the object detection panel. We will take the analyze image block and we will change camera to stage, because we will not analyze, because the artificial intelligence is not analyzing the image from the camera, but it is doing the same for the stage. So now when we have taken analyze image from the stage, then we will go to our variables panel and we will take set variable to set object, because object is the name of our variable, set object to 0. Next we will go into the control block and we will take repeat until. Here we have taken the repeat until block, and now we will go to the operators and take the equal to sign. So now we will go to the object detection and take get number of the objects. So this will be able to analyze how many number of objects are there present in the background. So now when we have taken get the number of objects, we will take a variable which is object, because it has to analyze what is there in the object. So now we will change the object. We will place it here and change the variable object by 1, because it was set to 0 and now we will change it by 1. Now we will go to the looks panel and take the set size to block. We will place it here and we will go to the object detection and take this block and place it here. And now we will take the width. We will because we have to set the size of the block same to the amount, same to the width of the person that we are taking. So now when we have taken the width of the object, so now instead of 1 we will go to our variables panel, take the object and place it here. So it will take the width of the object that is present in our backdrop. Now we will go into the motion panel and take go to X and Y, because we have to make our sprite, the square box, go to the angle, the X and the Y position of the object that has to be detected. So go to the X. Now we will go to the object detection, and we will take the class. Now we will change the class into the X position, and we will change the number 1 into object. Now we can duplicate this and place it here, and now we can now we have to change the X position to the Y position because it's Y here. Now because we need to make it more nice, so we have to show the block here, and after this we have to make it say what is the name of the object that we are detecting. So it will say hello, so we can change it. So we can change this, go to the object and take the class here and place this here, and take the go to the variables and take our variable named object and place it here. So it will take it, the artificial intelligence will get the information of the object that we are detecting and say its name for 2 seconds. Now we made it show. Now in looks panels will make it hide. And this is our code. Our code is done. Now let's see if it's working or not. It is detecting all the three pictures that are there. Like first it is detecting the person here, the person, and taking the width, then it's detecting the tennis racket, and then the sports ball. So here we are done with our simple project.